Yo, what's up, guys? This is Rockin' Dude back here with a really cool segment on my new fidget spinner I just got 2 days ago. I just want to show you guys how cool this thing spins. See that? Yeah. That's cool. I'm just gonna put. Alright. How see this thing can spin if I shake it? Oh, it's still spinning. Yeah. Cool as it. Yeah. This thing spins really cool, really fast. Yeah. Please, if you guys see this video, like and subscribe, and maybe add a comment if you feel like it. This fidget spinner is really cool. Yeah. Jeez, that thing spins cool, fast. Jeez. That's it for this YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and maybe add a comment like I just said. And don't forget, and I'll be back for my next video. Bye.